Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! Welcome to another super duper exciting episode of GB's Super Spectacular Unboxing Adventures, where you never know what the fuck's gonna come out of a box, what kind of box it is, or whose box it come out of. But before we do that, we're gonna get uncanny with a nice Coca-Cola today. This is an early morning edition of unboxing. No beer. Coke. Cheers, big ears. Fuck, that's good. Have yourself a Coke and a fucking smile. Woo! So today's box is a cardboard box. It's brown cardboard color and has black printing on it. The box measures 285 millimeters or 28.5 centimeters by 23 centimeters by 16.5 centimeters and weighs 1.8 kilograms. Sounds like this when you shake it. And it looks like this. And it actually doesn't weigh 1.8, it weighs 1.74. Has words and numbers and symbols, more words, a label with all pertinent information redacted. So let's see if these words have meaning. Knife. Oopsie. And, get one of them. No elbow shot. Oh. Paper. Is there any information on here? I don't know. Oh no! What's in the box? Another fucking box. There's a box in a box. I don't know what's more bizarre, a bag in a box or a box in a box. At least there wasn't a fucking jack in the box. Box in a box. Well, this is a double unboxing, bitches. Fuck yeah. Oh, it is what it said on that box. KD 8000. It's a new scale. Whee! I've needed a new scale for, a few weeks now. And it's finally arrived. Fuck yeah. I'm not going to measure and weigh this one. There you go, double unboxing. Listen. We get any asthma out of this one? Nope. Ooh, pictures, instructions. Ooh, metal, stainless, and plastic. The top of the scale. Another box. Adapter, AC. Box is empty. Bye, box. Ooh, nice. Hey, I dropped my guard thingamajigger. Look at this. This cover is removable. Yes, I know. A splash guard. Whee! What? No batteries? Batteries not included. Batteries. Nice. I'm liking that. Fuck yeah. Yay! Where are you going? There we go. Fuck yeah! I like that. But I'm gonna take that off. That just gets in the way. I'll figure it out. It's supposed to slide to the right. There you go, bitches. Happy unfucking boxing. Fuck yeah. Power adapter. Cover. What's this fucking thing? This cover is removable. I know that. Go get yourself a My Way KD 8000 or 7000 is half decent too. It's worth the money if you're doing a lot of weighing. Until the next unboxing, bitches. RTFO, mofos. Cheers, big ears. Arrivederci Roma. Take it easy. Alright, bitches. I decided to come back. Cheers. Big ears. So I've taken the cover off because it's just going to be more of a pain. And I weigh stuff every day. Put some batteries in it if you want. Use the power adapter that's supplied with it. Batteries are good. Power. Nice lighted back. That's great. We got it in grams. And I weigh flour every day. This should weigh 66 grams. 66. Well, good. You want to change it? 0.66 kilos. 2.3 ounces. Your 0 pounds, 2.3 ounces. 0.146 pounds. 66 grams. And this is a mathematical scale. So when you're baking, you will weigh your flour and then you hit your percentage and away you go. I don't need to do that shit. I like it because it has a nice backlight. Take off your film if you so choose. And there you go. So, it works. RTFO, mofos. Drink up, buttercup.